Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about another GitLab project management feature known as plan. Right now, I don't have any repo, so I'm going to click on new project. I'm going to create blank project, again giving name project X. Going to create private repo, not going to add any readme file, and let me click on create project. Now once you go to the project, here you will get all these options. In the previous video we already discussed about manage. Here in this video we are going to talk about specific tab known as plan. So what is the use case of plan? Let's talk about introduction of plan. In the GitLab, plan tab is another fundamental aspect of interface, particularly geared towards the project planning and tracking. See, when you create a project, means when you are developing software, it is a team game. And in the team game, it is the most important part is to have communicate with other team members. When we talk about plan tab, it is specifically for collaboration, okay, in which team members can communicate with each other and they can work in a collaborative environment. It contains tools and features that help in organizing work, tracking progress, and documenting the project. In the plan tab, we have issue, issue board, milestone, and wiki. In this video, we are going to discuss about all of this. Now, when we are in the GitLab repo or a project, here we have plan, and the first point is about issue. Now, issue is kind of collaborative tool. Here, your team member may suggest you about any issue or the features and all this. And to understand this, we have to add at least one team member. Now you know that how we can add this. So I'm going to the members. Right now I am alone. I'm going to add members, and now you know that we have only one account, so I'm going to use this. Okay. And I'm going to assign a reporter role to this particular user. I'm going to click on invite. This repo for CloudFolks HUB is already open over here. So if I'm going to refresh this, I will get this over here. I have project X and I am the reporter. Okay. Now let's discuss about this. First of all, let me talk about all the 3 points, and then we are going to understand this practically. So what is the functionality of issue? Issues in the GitLab are used to track tasks, bugs, and feature requests within the project. Usage: team members can create issues to propose new ideas, report bugs, and outline tasks. Issue can be assigned to the specific team members, labeled and categorized. Purpose: they provide platform for discussion and collaboration on a specific topic or task, ensuring that every aspect of the project development is tracked and managed efficiently. Now, we have one team member as well. So what is the process over here? Right now, I am in the CloudFolks HUB, right? This is my another repo. And I am actually going to add one issue over here. Okay, how I can do this? I can go to the plan and I can click on issue. Here, I'm going to say new issue. And I'm going to provide title. Okay, let's say that request to add new feature. Okay, yeah, this is issue. Let me provide description. Okay, we must add MFA feature for our application. Okay, which is helpful to make our application secure. So this is a new issue raised by this particular account, okay, CloudFolks HUB. Now you can assign this, okay, so you can assign to this, to the Bhavesh Atara. Okay, you can also set up a milestone that, okay, we are going to develop this issue will be solved within these days. We will talk about milestone, don't worry right now, okay. You can also set up the labels. I already explained in the previous videos about how we can, what is the use case of labels. Here we are going to use these labels right now. So I'm going to say create project label, okay. Here I'm going to give name for this label, okay, timeline for MFA, multi-factor authentication. You can also set up the color. I'm going to say red color, okay. So this is a tag that we have assigned to this particular issue. Now here you can set up the due date. I'm not going to set up this. Let me click on create issue. Okay, so issue created by this particular user, okay, and the username is CloudFolks HUB. Now they assign this particular issue to the user Bhavesh Atara. So I can verify this, okay. I can go to the issue. If I'm going to refresh this, okay, here I will find out that there is one issue, okay. I can find out that this issue is actually created by CloudFolks HUB. I also find out timeline for MFA. This is a tag that they have added, okay. I can also go to the labels and I can find out this label from here as well, okay. So now I'm going to answer this, okay. We just want to verify how communication is actually happening within issue. So let me go to the issue. Here I'm going to reply this issue, okay. So here we have all the activities that we can track, okay. So let's say that nice idea, we are working on it. You can close this issue. Thank you. Okay. So I said that, okay, we understood that we will add this feature, okay, but now you can close this issue. Even I can close this issue as well, but I'm just going to add comment, okay. So I just added this comment. Now here if you go to the CloudFolks, okay, you will find out issue. Sorry, let me go to the project, okay. Here you can find out that issue, okay, and you will say, like, you can also find out that, okay, nice idea, we are working on it. You can close this issue. You can say that, okay, thank you. Okay. Now, if you want to close this, you can. Otherwise, you can say that, okay, I want you to complete this and then close. Okay. So this is like how the whole communication is actually working. Okay. And this is like a team communication happening. Okay. Now, if you want to close this, you can close this as well. Now, when you go to the second option, okay, in the plan, you will have issue board. Okay. So what is the use case of the issue board? Issue board are a visual project management tool in GitLab. What is the functionality? They represent the issue in the form of cards on the board, allowing you to move interactive and flexible way of managing the work. You can create multiple boards for a different purpose, like feature development, bug tracking, and sprint planning. Here, you are going to get the most popular Kanban style boards. Okay, issue boards are follow Kanban style approach, where issue move through the different stages like to do, doing, done, and represent the progress. Now let me go to this. Okay, if you look at this, here we have open project. Okay, if you close this, it will automatically move to the closed project as well. If you want to create a new board, you can. Let's say that I'm going to say create list. Here I have to say timeline for MFA, okay, and I'm going to add this as well. Okay, so now look at this. Here I'm getting this. This is an issue request to add new feature, and it is right now in this particular timeline as well. If you want to move this to the another timeline, you can move this, but you have to add tag first. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, let's go to the
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.